In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your Joomla site to version 3.9.28. 0.28, that's right. We haven't seen 0.28 since Joomla 2.5.28. I'm going to show you how to update one site and multiple sites all at once. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning into the Basic Joomla Tutorials channel, where I show you my favorite extensions, tips, and tools for building and maintaining Joomla sites. Today's video is brought to you by mysites.guru. Head on over to mysites.guru and get a free site out for your Joomla site. While you're there, check out all the tools and information that will save you time and money managing one or multiple Joomla sites. And if you decide to subscribe, use the coupon code BASICJoomla and you'll get your first month free. All right, let's turn our attention to the screen. Now there's the page that gives us information about this release. It fixes 5 security vulnerabilities and 15 bugs or improvements. And as usual, I hope that one of those bugs was something that was bugging you. Thanks to everybody who worked on this and tested it. All right, let's go into the back end of the basic Joomla site. We're going to update this one site using the core method. Now remember, when you're updating your sites, make sure you make a backup of them before, just in case something goes wrong. If you don't have a backup and you need to go back, you will be drinking your own tears with frustration trying to fix things up. So make sure you back up your site. And I have a tutorial on how to do that in the video description below, and a card will probably pop down around here. Now you'll see here 3.9.28 is available. I also have an extension that needs updating on this site. We can update this Joomla install by clicking Update Now, or we can go to Components and we can go down to Joomla Update and then proceed from there installing the update. And that's what we will do. Now, if you do not have this Joomla Update in the menu, I do have a tutorial on how to get that back. And you will find it, you know where to find it. All right, let's install this update. And we click that button and wait for the hamsters to get the progress bar shooting across. There it goes. It is update. I'm going to clean the cache. That's the cache cleaner from Regular Labs. And I'm going to preview the site to make sure that it is working. Everything is good. Excellent. And that's how to update a Joomla site using the core. Now, here's how to update multiple Joomla sites all at once using mysites.guru. Now here are some of the accounts, Joomla sites that I manage. I'm actually logged into a team member account here. And what we want to do is go down in the side column to Mass Upgrade Sites. We'll click on that. And now we're going to collect the upgrade paths from all 14 of these sites that we're updating. That will go fairly quickly, and there we go. Here they all are. Now, basic Joomla is still showing because I haven't really refreshed anything in that since updating it mere seconds ago. We're going to update all of these Joomla sites. We'll select all, and we will go and start the upgrades. Now, they are running in the background. I could just go and enjoy some ice cream on this nice summer day while this happens, but I will watch because I like progress bars. Now, a lot of these sites are on one server, so they're all firing at once. We will see things proceeding, and we'll start hearing bells as things update properly. Now, whenever you update a Joomla site, sometimes there are messages that you get, post-installation messages, and as this process happens in bulk here, you'll be able to read those messages and act on them as well. So here you go. All these sites have updated successfully. Here's the post-installation messages I have yet to deal with for them, but it is all going along swimmingly. And I have just in this one effort updated 14 sites. Well, one I just done in the core, 13 sites all at once. That saved me a ton of time. That saves me money because now I can get on with other things. And of course, that's just one of the things that you can do with mysites.guru. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please subscribe to the channel. You'll get news about other things happening on the channel and other things happening in Joomla. Ring the bell to get notifications. And as usual, YouTube is suggesting some things that it thinks you should watch. Now, they're popping up on the screen here. Please do that. That helps the channel greatly. Oh yeah, and sure, give this video a like too. Until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites and God bless.